Hello,
Hello.
I want to take a room.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Atsima Rahimna.
Atsima Rahimna. What's your first and last name?
My first name Atsima and my last name Rahimna.
Okay. How do you spell that?
Yes, A
A
D
D
C
K
I M
K
A.
Atsima.
Yes,
Where are you from?
I'm from in Indonesia.
Indonesia. Where Indonesia?
Pondrek Bulukumba, Sulawesi, South Sulawesi.
Okay. What's your phone number?
Okay, all wall A
O A
7
K
799
K
145
145.
622.
Okay. Waiting, please.
Yes,
Can you sign here, please?
yes.
Okay. This is K your room.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.